In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a Canva video to your X profile. You can do this on the computer version of Canva and also the mobile app. I'm going to show you how you can do it on the desktop version. So what you need to do is import your video into your Canva document or canvas, and then what you can do once you've edited and you've got your final video, you can go share in the top right hand corner, and then you need to click on download. Once you've done that, make sure your file type is set to MP4. If it's anything else, it won't export it as a video. So click on that, and if you've got Canva Premium, you can upgrade to 4K. If not though, it will be in 1080p. You can then go ahead and click on download. And then once it's downloaded, you can either go ahead and open the video file, or if you go to your downloads, you will then be able to see it. So here is the video Canva. We can then go ahead and open that up. So as you can see, this is the same video downloaded from Canva, and now we're going to go ahead and upload it to X. So make sure you're logged into your X account, and then what you can do is you can click on the post button in the bottom left hand corner. It's going to be a feather. Now you can go ahead and click on the media icon, and by doing so it will open up your file explorer. You can then go ahead and find your video. So I'm going to click on this one and we'll click open. Once you've then got the video in the post, you can go ahead and give this a caption, which might help people understand the clip. I'm just going to put here test video, and you can see here that everyone can reply to this. I'm going to just change this to accounts you follow because I don't want this to go to everyone. We can then go ahead and click on post. Now the video has been published. As you can see, it's 27 seconds. It's uploaded straight away to X, and that is how you can do it. People can then retweet and like this video. So I hope that helped.